Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, September 19, 2018. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3 points to 29.03 3/4 per contract. All in all, the futures today are trading a little bit lower. Yesterday, the market was able to carve out a decent positive day. We'll see what today brings. Remember, this coming Friday, we have a quadruple witching options expiration, 4 different asset classes expiring. So again, this could still be a very whipsaw type week. All right, let's get started with stocks in the news. First one we're going to take a look at is Tilray, T-L-R-Y. This is a marijuana name, kind of a new issue. The stock has only been around since July, and this has just been off to the races. Stock is up 50% this morning. Closed at $155 yesterday. Now trading around $228.50. Just an incredible run for a new issue for any stock, really. And again, the marijuana stocks are on fire, no pun intended. Also in sympathy, you're seeing CRON. That is trading higher as well. This closed at $11.56. Now trading at $13.01. And Canopy Growth, which is ticker symbol CGC, also trading around $55. This closed at $51.89. Again, all of these stocks are overbought. They're long and extended. But again, when you have this kind of move in the leader, which is Tilray at this point in time, everything is just following. So we'll see how that plays out today. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I'd leave it alone. Next up, we have SPWR, SunPower. It looks like this was upgraded today. Stock is trading at $8.08, up from $7.55. So good little pop there. I think there's a lot of resistance around $8.75 if it were to get up there. I'm not sure that will happen, but if it does get there, there should be good resistance at that level. Let's take a look at Juniper, JNPR. Ticker symbol is Juniper, is JNPR. Right now, the stock is trading at $29.22, closed at $28.58. This is on the back of an upgrade as well. There's a lot of resistance in this area. So if you take a look at, I'm just going to go to a weekly chart real quick. You'll see right around this $29 to $30 area, all the way up to 31 really. There's just a ton of resistance. Great move for Juniper though. Good little pop there on the back of an upgrade. But again, a lot of resistance in play. If you own that name, trail your stop loss. I would not be chasing it up here at these levels. Next up, we want to take a look at LYB, is the ticker symbol here. This is LyondellBasell. The stock right now, after a downgrade this morning, trading at $99.89. So again, nice little sell-off there on the back of a downgrade. And this is Options X. You're going to get tons of upgrades and downgrades. That's what happens during Options X. Right now, though, I do think there's a lot of support still in this name around this 98 level today. So we'll see how that plays out. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. Next up, we have ticker symbol RIG. This is good old Transocean. Stock right now is trading at $12.20. This was upgraded this morning by Morgan Stanley. It closed at $11.93. Now with that nice little pop, looking at resistance levels, I'm going to say around $12.65, $12.70 should be a ton of resistance there. I wouldn't look for a whole lot of upside. So again, if you own this one, trail the stop loss. Microsoft trading down a little bit this morning. MSFT stock is trading at $112.60. Closed yesterday at $113.21. Looks like they did increase their dividend, but just to 46 cents from 42 cents. So it's a little bit of a lackluster raise. Many investors were expecting a higher dividend raise. That did not happen. Microsoft under a little bit of pressure. I still don't think there's anything terrible with the stock here. The trend is still up. Still looks pretty strong in my opinion. Next up, we have MGM. Looks like Starboard Value has taken a stake in the company. Stock closed at $27.59 yesterday. It is now trading at $28.05. Briefly got above $28.60, so we'll see how that plays out. Again, MGM catching a little bit of a bid. This has been beaten down. Most casino stocks have been beaten down, so we'll see if MGM can spark something there. Again, a lot of people do view this as a China play, so just realize Chinese markets last night were up by about 1% in the Shanghai, so that could help the casino names today. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures right now trading up $7.20 to $1,200. $10.10 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, you'll see that's trading at 114.08, closed at 113.44. So gold on the move this morning. What's the catalyst there? Weaker dollar. Dollar is starting to come down. Dollar pulls back, and gold makes a move higher. Dollar is down today by 52 cents. Next up, we want to take a look at crude oil. Crude oil trading lower by 5 cents to $69.53 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, what you'll see here is that is trading at 14.68, closed at 14.69. So really a very little movement in crude this morning, but gold is on the move. The dollar a little bit weaker. That certainly is the catalyst there. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2018. We're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. And again, if you haven't done so, you might want to just check it out, see what it's all about. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.